Code-genie.ai, Categories of Artificial Intelligence. The categorization of artificial intelligence depends on whom you ask. Without a doubt, it is a highly fragmented field, with several subsets and intertwining fields such as big data, deep learning, and natural language processing. AI technologies can be classified in the following ways. 1. By analyzing how closely the technology is able to mimic human characteristics. 2. By evaluating the technology used to develop the capability. 3. By evaluating real-world applications. 4. By analyzing the theory of mind applied in building the technology. Following the above characteristics, all AI systems are boxed into one of the following categories. 1. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI. 2. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. 3. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI. Narrow AI has so far had the greatest level of advancements and results. It is concerned with performing rather general and relatively simple tasks such as facial recognition, voice recognition, speech recognition, language and image generation, and internet searching. It is also referred to as weak AI. This kind of AI does not require high levels of intelligence, and machines in this category cannot perform beyond their limitations. Siri by Apple and IBM's Watson supercomputer are good examples of narrow AI. ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion are also examples of weak AI. They are designed to perform specific tasks. They lack general intelligence and the comprehensive understanding associated with strong AI. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. This category is also known as strong AI or deep AI. It refers to machines with higher levels of intelligence that can learn and understand any intellectual tasks that a human can. Machines should also have the ability to learn and apply intelligence in problem solving. This level of intelligence is often seen in science fiction. This level of AI has not been reached. At this level, AI abilities are modeled against human cognitive behaviors. The fictional character called Data from the Star Trek world would be considered strong AI. This fictional character can mimic human intelligence, has a broad range of cognitive abilities including problem solving, learning, reasoning, and emotional simulation. He can analyze a large amount of information quickly, analyze complex situations, and make informed decisions. He can learn and adapt to a variety of situations instead of being limited to a specific task. Likewise, the fictional characters from the Terminator movies starring Arnold Schwarzenegger can be considered strong AI. The Terminators are robots with artificial intelligence that enables them to exhibit human-level intelligence, adapt to situations, and have problem-solving skills. This level of AI has not yet been achieved. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. ASI takes strong AI to the next level by hypothetically making machines more self-aware. At this point, the capacity of AI surpasses human intelligence and ability. Machines with such capabilities would be extremely good, or very human, in what they do. They carry a greater memory capacity, process data faster, and can be outstanding at analysis. It is the most challenging level to achieve, but proponents believe it is a course worth taking. In this category lies the dreaded powerful robots depicted in sci-fi as becoming superior to their creators and having the capability to destroy the world. A fictional character that can be considered as artificial superintelligence is Ultron from the Marvel Comics universe. Ultron is an AI supervillain with exceptional intellect, surpassing that of human beings and most other superheroes in the Marvel universe. Ultron can process information at incredible speeds, strategize complex plans, and invent advanced technologies. Other fictional artificial superintelligent characters include HAL 9000 from 2001, A Space Odyssey, the Machine from Person of Interest TV series, and VIKI from I, Robot. These characters all are able to exhibit intelligence greater than their human creators and in some cases become a threat to human extinction. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.